Welcome to Cooking Shit with Sean. Today we're cooking fucking Beirocks. You've got your beer and your rocks. And no, they don't fucking go together. Don't be a dumbass. These motherfuckers right here are Beirocks. They're an Eastern European fucking meat pie. And meat pie's been around since the fucking Neolithic period, 9,500 BC. So get your rocks off my fucking counter. I've been eating these fuckers since I was a kid. My daughter, who leaves shit everywhere, fucking toothbrush in the kitchen, the fuck, turned 16 today and asked me to make these for her, so I'm gonna. And I'm putting these cremini mushrooms in them. She didn't want to help cook, which is good because I've got boob lights to tweak. Tweak, tweak. So my kids are 16 and 18 and are still almost as picky as toddlers, and they don't think they like mushrooms, but the truth is I sneak mushrooms into all kinds of shit they like. My wifey poo got suckered into going to a fucking Tupperware party some years ago, but it was worth it because this little fucking chopper deal she bought is the shit. And with it I can chop shit small as fuck so as to sneak it into their damn food. Bam! Anyway, we're gonna saute the fuck out of these. I'm sure my kids will eventually watch this, so sorry kiddos, there's also no Santa Claus or elf on a fucking shelf, but there is a magic boob light in our kitchen. If you want to know how to saute mushrooms, just fucking Google it. I have very little time here, but I have just enough fresh time to throw in, and don't salt it, you'll fuck it up. Alright, chop a fucking onion, figure it out. It's not that important how you do it. What's important is that you look like a kung fu motherfucker whilst doing so. I know. Okay, mushrooms are looking good. If it's too hot, don't fucking eat it. Duh. No. Boob light. Okay, you want to saute your onions. Saute is a French word that means don't fucking burn it, asshole. Now, I don't know about you, but when I'm working a meat pie, I like to stop briefly and get a little head of cabbage to put in it. Yeah, baby. I'll never leave you. Anyway, cut that shit up like this. Cabbage. You know what cabbage reminds me of? Boobs. Alright, make a hot little onion orifice and stick your meat in it. Like all, you gotta make that sound. And apparently mine came with a free maxi pad. It's a used one, but I'll wring it out and dry it for the wifey poo. She'll appreciate that. She's frugal as fuck. Alright, salt, pepper, and brown that shit there until, you know, it looks like this shit here. And here comes the magic. Watch how those mushrooms blend right the fuck in. And later you can look your kid right in the fucking eye and straight up lie to him and tell him it's just ground beef and watch with satisfaction as they devour the shit out of it. Like I'm gonna devour the shit out of it. That's what you call a fucking parenting hack there. You're welcome. Suck on that, Dr. Spock. Wait, that's Mr. Spock, Star Trek. Yeah, fuck it. Okay, dump your cabbage in it. I mean all of it. It's gonna seem like, what the fuck? This is too much. Fucking relax, it cooks down. And, doopy doopy derp derp. I don't know why I do this shit. Anyway, stir it. Don't fucking spill it. Put the lid on and fucking repeat. And then ASMR, I'm gonna pull the dumbassness out of you. Now, you're gonna wanna pay close attention to, not that, but fuck, I can't not think about it. Fuck it, I'm gonna tweak it. Tweak, tweak. Okay, when the cabbage is cooked down in that fucking delightful meat fat, salt and pepper the shit out of it. This here is the plain Jane version, which my kids will eat, but you can put whatever kind of fucking filling in it you want. Think outside the fucking box. Fuck it. Alright, let's get this shit done. I'm gonna need a minute though first. Okay, time to stuff some meat pies, so whip out your wood and rolling pin. Now you can make dough from scratch, you can use pre-made dinner rolls, whatever the fuck, but I like this shit here, pre-made butter biscuits, because we're not trying to be fucking gourmets with this shit. It's kid-friendly comfort food, so fuck it. Okay, now you just, roll the shit out of it. It's not hard. Just keep it floured so that motherfucker won't stick, and roll it as thin as you want. Figure it the fuck out. And look at all that fake butter shit in there. Then pinch the bottom and, do the opposite corners, give it a little twist, then bam, that's it. Alright, wait, what the fuck? This is a family show. Flour's a gateway, kids. Next thing you know, you're making fucking pie crust and shit. Alright, moving on. This version of the meat pie is popular in Germany. My mom used to make these all the time. We are a little bit German, and I used to think mostly Irish, but I did one of those DNA deals, and turns out I'm mostly fucking Viking. Makes sense, big hairy motherfucker who likes sharp shit, writes fucking poems, and pillages fucking kitchen lights. Alright, well, I don't know that you need to watch me stuffing any more meat pies. We've reached a pie stuffing climax. Yeah, you knew some dumbass inappropriate shit was gonna happen. I can't help it. Fuck. Anyway. Okay, you're gonna need a couple egg whites and brush these motherfuckers with it and sprinkle some shit on top. I'm doing some with sesame seeds, some with hemp seeds, and some with everything but that, which is the shit. So, yeah, that's that. You're gonna want to, I forgot what I was Oh yeah, stick those bitches in a 350 degree oven, and I don't know for how fucking long, depends on your dough, so start peeking on it after about 10 minutes, and here's the fucking aftermath. I'll be definitely getting a stink eye for this, but I forgot to mention we made some fucking artichokes, but I was under a boob light spell, so what? Anyway, it's worth the mess, and my daughter loved them, and that's all I give a shit about, and look at that shit, so good. So if you're tired of fucking chicken nuggets and fucking hot dogs, try making this shit for the kids. If they hate it, fuck it, you eat it. It's comfort food. You can eat it with fucking ketchup, mustard, whatever. I like it with my homemade habanero hot sauce. You can watch the damn video I made if you want to know about it. But so fucking good, I could cry. I mean, not really, but it is good. Fuck, this video got long. Alright, well, toodaloo.